शुक्लाम्बरधरम् विष्णुम् शशिवर्णम् चतुर्भुजम् प्रसन्नवदनम् ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये व्यासम् वसिष्ठनप्तारम् शक्तेः पौत्रमकल्मषम् पराशरात्मजम् वन्दे शुकतातम् तपोनिधिम् व्यासाय विष्णुरूपाय व्यासरूपाय विष्णवे नमो वै ब्रह्मनिधये वासिष्ठाय नमो नमः अविकाराय शुद्धाय नित्याय परमात्मने सदैकरूपरूपाय विष्णवे सर्वजिष्णवे यस्य स्मरणमात्रेण जन्म संसारबन्धनात्।
Om Shanti. Let's celebrate Alka Raghuvanshi ji. A big salute to her doctors. Her doctors served her in her own home, in her own room, in her own bed, in her own space. So as she was suffering not from COVID but from acute asthma took her away from us. So a big salute to her doctors.
Hello everyone, I'm Harika Gowde, Samiman Nomiya's Kota, and I'm Alka Raghuvanshi's niece, or you can say more like a granddaughter. I have been living with her since the age of 2.5, and now I'm 13. Masi was not only a Masi to me, she was like another mother, a guru, an inspiration, and a playmate. We used to do a lot together, like paint, watch movies, read, write, make puzzles. Masi was the one who encouraged and inspired me to paint and exhibit at a young age of 6. Lately, I took part in Mojarto NDTV online art fair. Masi was the one who introduced me to the world of art, music and dance. We used to go to many concerts together and art shows. I'm very thankful to her for everything she did for me and my mom. You will be missed forever. Thank you.
Let's celebrate Alka Raghuvanshi ji, the painter, the journalist, the friend, the mentor, the dreamer. She was perfect. Let's talk to her friends and let's talk to her family. What was their relationship with her? उनका क्या कहना है? तो चले शुरू करते हैं. Let's start with her sister Manisha Gawade.
Alka Raghuvanshi. The legend has gone, yet she remains with us in our hearts forever. Through her works, through her books, through her paintings and saris. She has worked very hard to bring all the combined arts together over the last 40 years. Tirelessly and dedicatedly, she has brought a lot of difference in the way people think about the arts. I feel that the world would have been a different place had it not been for Alka. Arts would have been a different place had it not been for Alka. Today we pay homage and a tribute from us as combined arts together, a vision that she had and cherished. Alka was my mother, yet my sister. She taught me a lot of things as I grew up. She taught me how to like arts. As I was a little child of 3, she used to take me along with her to see various exhibitions and various shows and various recitals. Something that from a very early age started getting me interested into the arts. Initially, professionally, when I joined aviation and also worked with television for 5 years, Alka realized that that was not really my calling, but art was. And she wanted me to look at it very carefully and come back to it, come back to what my heart said. And I realized what she said was right. It was Alka who lit the lamp of me as an artist, and as you see me today.
हम सब की बहुत 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 प्यारी अलका जी, हर दिल अजीज अलका जी। क्या कहूँ, एक शेर याद आ रहा है कि रहने को सदा दहर में आता नहीं कोई, रहने को सदा दहर में आता नहीं कोई, तुम जिस तरह गए ऐसे भी जाता नहीं कोई। अलका जी, आप जैसी जो हस्तियां होती हैं ना, आप जैसी जो शख्सियत होती है, वो दरअसल कहीं नहीं जाती, वो हमेशा जिंदा रहती है अपने चाहने वालों के दिलों में, अपने प्यार करने वालों के दिलों में। आपने कितनी जिंदगियों को मुतासिर किया, आप शायद खुद नहीं जानती। उनमें से मैं भी एक हूँ। आपका वो खूबसूरत प्यारा चेहरा, वो हर वक्त मुस्कुराना, हर वक्त हंसना, वो जिंदा दिली, वो एक बचपना, वो मासूमियत, वो भोलापन, वो जीने का हुनर, वो जीने की चाहत, वो जीने की ललक, ये सब चीज़ों से मैं बेहद बेहद मुतासिर हुई और आइंदा भी होती रहूँगी। आप जिसे एक बार अपना लेती थी, जिसे एक बार गले से लगा लेती थी, उसके दिल से होती हुई उसकी रूह तक पहुंच जाती थी। ये हुनर भी किसी किसी को आता है अलका जी। आप अक्सर मेरी कॉन्सर्ट्स में आती और कुछ नगमों की, कुछ नज़मों की, कुछ गज़लों की फरमाइश करती और मैं भी कोशिश करती, जो कुछ भी सुना पाती आपको सुनाती। एक नज़म जो आपकी बहुत फेवरेट नज़म थी और आप अक्सर सुनती थी, वो मैं आज आपको थोड़ी सी सुना रही हूँ। थोड़ी सी इसलिए क्योंकि वक्त ज़रा कम है। कुछ लाइन सुना रही हूँ और उम्मीद करती हूँ कि अलका जी आप जहाँ भी हैं आप सुनेंगी और आप आज भी मुस्कुराएंगी सुनकर, आज भी खुश होंगी और मुझे ढेर सारी दुआएं देंगी। अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ। हवा भी खुश गवार है, गुलों पे भी निखार है, तरन्नुमें हजार है, बहार पुर बहार है। कहाँ चला है साक़िया, इधर तो लौट इधर तो आ, अरे ये देखता है क्या, उठा सुबह सुबह उठा, सुबह उठा प्याला भर के देख इधर, चमन की सिमत कर नजर, समा तो देख बेखबर, वो काली काली बदलियां, तरररा, वो काली काली बदलियां उफ़क़ पे हो गई आया, वो एक हुजूम में मैं कशा है, सुए मैं कदा रवा, ये क्या गुमा है बदगुमा, समझ न मुझको नातवा, ख्याल जुहद अभी कहाँ, अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ, 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 अभी तो मैं जवान हूँ। ये नज़्म आपको बहुत बहुत पसंद थी और आप अक्सर सुनती थी। और एक गज़ल भी जो आपकी पसंदीदा गज़ल, उसकी फरमाइश आप हमेशा करती थी, उसका मैं सिर्फ मतला सुना रही हूँ। बहुत मशहूर गज़ल है और जैसा कि पहले कहा, फिर उम्मीद करती हूँ अलका जी कि आप सुन रही हैं और आप बहुत खुश हो रही हैं। आज जाने की जिद ना करो, यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, ओ यूं ही पहलू में बैठे रहो, हाय मर जाएंगे हम तो लुट जाएंगे, ऐसी बातें किया ना करो, आज जाने की जिद ना करो। यही दुआ करती हूँ अलका जी कि आप जहाँ भी रहें बहुत खुश रहें और खूब खुशियाँ बांटें, खूब मुस्कुराहटें बांटें और हमें आने वाली ज़िंदगी में हमेशा हमेशा मुतासिर करती रहें, इंस्पायर करती रहें। लव यू।
There's a poem in every flower, a sonnet in every tree, and the color of your works are there for all to see. The rhythm of your words bespeak depth, gravity, and spur all to read. Keeping melancholy at bay is your carefree laughter, joyful and gay. Alka, that is how I'll always remember you as. Laughing, full of life, full of beams, full of plans, with so much of depth and gravity in your thoughts. I'll always remember the first time we met, way back in the 70s at a common friend's marriage. When you, with your wit, your beautiful, tinkling laughter, and your wonderful personality that charmed one and all, and a personality that was oozing with intelligence and wit. It just mesmerized one and all. Since then, our friendship grew. We've seen many times, trying times together, highs and lows of life. But you sailed through all those trying times with that indomitable, courageous spirit of yours. I'm so grateful to God that we got the opportunity to do one last work together just before the lockdown happened. And it was on Bhakti, all about the Atma reaching the Paramatma. And that is what you were embarking on that journey. Perhaps that was the reason that made all of us do that work on that Bhakti. Thinking about you, will always remember you're physically not there with us, but you're still there with us. You're always with us. In spirit, in our memories, in the works that you have left behind, in the colors that you have left behind. You spell colors in the beautiful words, colors, thoughts that you have left behind. Those were the days, my friend, we thought they'd never end. We'd sing and dance forever and the day. We'd lead the life we choose. We'd fight and never lose. 'Cause we were young and sure to have our way. La ra la 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 ra la la ra la. Alka, wherever you are, I'm sure you're looking down at us, laughing and saying, देखो, सब लोग देखो कैसे बोल रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं, in your usual beautiful manner. We miss you, Alka, and we shall always miss you.
बेहद दुख हुआ अलका रघुवंशी जी के बारे में सुन के। वैसे उनकी काफी कुछ प्रॉब्लम से बीमारी हो गई, तो सुना मैंने। बड़ी प्यारी, बहुत ही समझदार, संगीत की बड़ी शौकीन, मेरी तो बहुत ही अलग नाम थी। इंटरव्यू भी उन्होंने लिया, बहुत ही अच्छे ढंग का इंटरव्यू लिया। और मैं उनके फैशन शो में शरीफ हुआ और उनके बनाए हुए सुंदर से चादर को लेके मैं चला। आज भी मुझे याद आ रहा है उनका। और ऐसे लोगों को सच में याद रखना चाहिए, क्योंकि उन्होंने काफी साथ दिया सब लोगों का, और बहुत ही संगीत का शौकीन। और इसके अलावा उन्होंने जो भी उनके विचार थे, लिखती भी थी, बहुत अच्छा लिखती थी। ये सब याद कर रहा हूँ और आज भी ऐसे ही लग रहा कि मेरे साथ बैठ के बात करती हैं। तो ऐसे लोगों को तो कैसे भूल सकते हैं, बहुत अच्छे तरह के लोग। तो उनके लिए हम श्रद्धांजलि हम देते हैं कि वो इस ईश्वर को प्राप्त करें। और हर तक सब लोगों के बीच में रहने वाली जो बहुत से लोगों में होती है, आज मुझे उनकी याद आ रही है। बहुत मनीष को बहुत शुभकामनाओं, बहुत प्यार दे रहा हूँ। इस अच्छी तरह से वो सब चीज़ों को कर रही है, सब चीज़ों का पूजा पाठ करके उनके आत्मा के लिए शांति दे रही है। मैं भी यही चाह रहा हूँ।
Namaskaram. We, Raja, Radha and Kaushalya Reddy were so sad to know the sudden demise of our friend Alka Raghuvanshi. She was very close to us. We know her since over 50 years. When we came to Delhi, we were living in Vittal Bhai Patel House, opposite to All India Radio in Rafi Marg, close to Parliament House. And Alka so was living with her parents in the same area. She was a very beautiful person. People used to admire her walk, her talk and her smile. She was a very beautiful person. And apart from beauty, she was a very nice human being and a great painter. I have seen her many painting exhibitions. Excellent paintings she used to do. As a critic, she used to bring out the minute details in the dance performance. She used to write in the newspapers. And always she used to advise and write also, the dancer should bring out the inner processes. The body is visible grace, but when it becomes visible grace only when the dancer brings out the inner process like mind, heart and spirit, imagination. Then only the body becomes the visible beauty. She used to write like that. So I really admire, and we also feel very bad to miss her. Suddenly God bless her. We pray Lord Venkateshwara to bless her soul with peace and happiness.
Alka has gifted us with so many things in the really short span of 6 decades. She's left an indelible mark on all of us. And yet, because of her gentleness and her light touch, it's difficult to imagine that she did 26 books, even though many of us were part of some of them and have read others. She's left an indelible mark on the art scene with her art and her writing, but also the intangible curating. And not only curating of collections, but curating of people. The main contribution beyond all of her writing and work and collaborations is what she's given us as a human being. She was kind, she was accepting, and I believe she brought out the best in many artists who otherwise are really quite competitive and focused on their careers, and yet for everyone, she valued them, she valued and supported, from the youngest artist to the most senior. The work she's done will remain in the archives of libraries, museums, and our hearts, really forever. And the soul of Alka, the joy of meeting her, the joy of her laugh, not to mention the beauty of what she represented in terms of the crafts that she wore, the saris, the jewelry, and her sharing with everyone, bringing us all together. She was really a fundamental glue in the artistic community, and both with her expertise and her love, she's given us so very, very much. And she is a part of us and an inspiration for all of us as we continue on our journeys. And I still feel her. I still feel her always by my side. Love her always.
Ehsaas. Ehsaas is a dream project of Alka Raghuvanshi ji. एहसास हमें याद दिलाता है कि हम जिंदा हैं. जिंदगी बहुत खूबसूरत है. रिश्ते हैं, रिश्ते बहुत जरूरी हैं. She combined art and textile and presented a ramp walk, a fashion show along with the who's who of the classical world. So Ehsaas, let's take a glimpse of Ehsaas and feel the Ehsaas of Alka Raghuvanshi ji.
Ehsaas was one of the biggest live installations of art that Alka designed and curated. Ehsaas, as the name suggests, was something about feeling. Something, the paintings that were hung on the wall were brought by Alka onto the saris, onto stoles, onto bags. And these were things that were walking, talking installations. The greatest people and the legends of the Indian arts walked with Alka on the ramp. 5 painters, Sridhar Iyer, Niren Sen Gupta, Alka Raghuvanshi, Sanjay Bhattacharya, and myself. This was the team whose paintings were used onto Ehsaas and the entire work as the journey continued.
Namaskar. When you pay homage to somebody who is extremely close to you, as Alka Raghuvanshi was, you wonder why she had to go and why you survived to tell the tale. Her last message to me was that, Prats, I've gone through a very harrowing time, but I will live to tell the tale. I miss you and I love you and I want to laugh and joke again. This was Alka Raghuvanshi. In essence, this was she. Despite being an exemplary writer, I mean, she wrote on the arts so beautifully, and transitioning from being a hardcore journalist, Alka was the pioneer editor of the arts page of Pioneer. She transitioned to being an artist, a painter, and then to a sari designer. And she also translated her paintings onto jewelry. So I'm, standing before Alka's painting in Alka's sari, wearing Alka's jewelry, just so that people remember that here was a woman who celebrated all the colors of life, and she wore her success lightly. She was all the time, fun-loving, laughing, quirky, cracking jokes, even on her own self, and talking about everything in life as something that was joyous to be experienced. The rich tapestry of Indian arts and crafts was something that she knew on her fingertips. So she wrote about it, she spoke about it, she was passionate about music, dance, writing, heritage, handicrafts, handlooms, and she did everything that she could do in her capacity to help artists and artisans in every which way. Despite all this, what I would like to say was that I have lost a very, very dear friend. Somebody who I loved deeply and somebody who I know loved me. And that is the rarest of rare qualities, because you can find a person who's successful and talented, but that person may not be genuine. Here was Alka Raghuvanshi, a very genuine and lovely human being, also an expert in everything, but somebody who I loved very much and who loved me dearly. Alka, wherever you are, have fun, because that's what we wanted to do. We always wanted to have fun.
Alka and I met about 20 years ago, and the impression that she created in my mind was one of a woman of substance, versatile, talented, vivacious, and empowered. Alka was always this lovely, resplendent, dazzling young person with her huge bindi and this glowing skin and a mischievous smile. She was hugely talented and versatile, and she wore all her hats with great aplomb. She was an art curator, a writer, a journalist, a painter, an author, and also a leading expert on Indian textiles. But Alka was also a very kind-hearted and generous person and reached out to many people who were less fortunate than her. I had the privilege of working with her in her magnum opus called Ehsaas, in which she showcased the leading designs and artworks of renowned artists of the country on saris and on apparel. The coup was that she managed to get 30 of the renowned and leading dancers and actors and artists and painters to do a ramp walk in those design saris of hers. The show was a huge success, but it brought into focus Alka's vision, her conceptualization, her ability to execute, and also her eye for detail, as well as her passion for all forms of art. Then in January of 2020, four of us, Ranjana Gohar, Shobna Narayan, Alka and myself, we put up a show, a dance program called Eternal Quest, which was based on women and the Bhakti movement of India. Although Alka was not a dancer, but herein she was the Sutradhar and stitched together the entire program beautifully with her evocative comparing. Alka will truly be missed. I have lost a very dear friend and will remember her very fondly and with a lot of love and affection. My friend, you've been snatched away from us too soon. Rest in peace. Alvida, my dear Alka.
Another big blow in these bizarre times. Alka was a dear friend for almost 50 years, half a century. She first interviewed me for All India Radio in the 70s, and since then I've known her and we've been friends. Her zest for life was infectious. Her laughter, her presence at our concerts, her love for food is what we shared. I really don't know how to describe her as a journalist, writer, painter, curator, connoisseur of the arts. She was all these, and as friends she had everybody, musicians, dancers, painters, as her own inner circle. I will miss her. I'm sure all of us will miss her. But I'm sure she's up there planning already something with so many of our artists who have left us, and maybe a fashion show up there.
अलका रघुवंशी जी हमारे बीच में नहीं हैं। ये विचार करके ही बहुत ही अजीब लग रहा है। एक मल्टी डायमेंशनल पर्सनालिटी, एक बहुत ही पॉजिटिव व्यक्तित्व, हंसमुख और कभी ना हार मानने वाली, ऐसे व्यक्तित्व बहुत कम मिलते हैं आपके लाइफ में। जब भी मैंने उनसे कुछ पूछा है तो इतनी क्लैरिटी से उनका जवाब, और वो रास्ता क्यों सही है उसको एनालिटिकली बात करना। शी वॉज ब्लेस्ड एज अ ह्यूमन बीइंग। एहसास में जब हम लोग काम कर रहे थे तब मैंने देखा कि कितना उनमें बिल्कुल जैसे कि 24 घंटे वो उसी पर ही मनन कर रही हैं। Every finer detail, every fine detail had been worked out. शायद ही ऐसा कोई पक्ष है कला का जिसके बारे में वो फ्लुएंटली नहीं बात कर सकती थी। ये बहुत ही कमाल की बात है। ऐसी बहुमुखी प्रतिभा की धनी हमारी अलका रघुवंशी जी हमारे बीच में नहीं हैं। हालांकि हमें अंदर से दुख होता है कि उनसे अब मुलाकात नहीं हो पाएगी, पर वो अभी जहाँ पर भी हैं बहुत खुशी में हैं, ऐसे ही मेरा विश्वास है। ईश्वर उनके संपूर्ण परिवार को ये शक्ति दे इतने बड़े लॉस को बेयर करने के लिए। बहुत याद आएंगी आप अलका जी।
बंसी बाके बिहारी जी मारो प्रणाम।
बहुत लॉस हुआ है और वो लॉस ऐसा है कि जो कभी फिल्म नहीं हो सकता, उसकी बदबोरी कभी हो नहीं सकती। उनमें एक नाम है अलका रुवंशी जी का। एक डायनेमिक लेडी, एक आर्टिस्ट, पेंटर, क्रिएटर, राइटर, जर्नलिस्ट, और सबसे बड़ी बात, एक महान लेडी जिसे कहिए। कई दशकों से हमारा साथ था, प्रोफेशनली और जाती तौर पर मेरी बिल्कुल छोटी बहन की तरह। आर्ट की दुनिया में इनकी काफी इज्जत रही है और इन्होंने भी आर्ट की दुनिया को काफी कंट्रीब्यूट किया हुआ है। चाहे वो फैशन डिजाइनिंग के शोज थे, मुझे याद है कि एक क्लासिकल बेस करके इन्होंने एक शो किया था, बहुत ही सक्सेसफुल रहा था। मेरा ख्याल है वो रिपीट कई जगहों पे वैसे हुआ था उस ढंग से। ऐसे व्यक्ति को खोना दुख भी है और गहरा लॉस भी है, जो पूरे कंट्री का एक लॉस रहता है, आर्टिस्ट फेटर्निटी का लॉस है। मैं ईश्वर से प्रार्थना करता हूँ कि उनकी आत्मा को शांति मिले।
Namaskar. The year 2020-2021 has been a devastating year for all of us. We have lost so many near and dear ones, family, friends, associates. Alka Raghuvanshi, what can I say about her that we all don't know? A multifaceted personality, a journalist, an artist, an art curator, and so many more. But most importantly, for me, a wonderful human being. Always ready with a smile, a laughter that was so infectious. I've known her for almost 3 decades. We were in the same circles, but it took a long time before we officially met when she did an interview with Iranna, the wonderful artist, and me together. I still remember that afternoon at the Habitat Center. She put us both at such ease immediately with her laughter, with her... it was just unbelievable. After that, of course, we did keep in touch. We met at many, many different occasions. When Saskia and I finally moved to House Khas about 6 years ago, the first thing that came to my mind was, I'm going to Alka's area. House Khas had become synonymous for me with her. The irony is that just a few days before she left us, I had tried to call her, wanting to just speak to her and find out how she was. Never knew that my attempt would be the last one, at least for some time. I know this world is poorer without you, Alka, but you are enriching a different world with the same laughter, infectious smile, and making it a better place wherever you go. We'll miss you, but I'm sure there are loads of people out there happy to have you there.
Dear Alka, I still can't understand that you're no longer with us. But as a wise person once told me, just because a person isn't with us doesn't mean they stop existing. And the legacy you leave behind of love, of kindness, of friendship, of so many people who are just adore and love you is amazing. Dear, dear family, I know how much she loved all of you and I can just imagine the huge crater she's leaving behind in your lives. All the best, Alka, wherever you are. All the best to your family.
Namaskar. Alka auntie was like an encouraging godmother to me, always full of love and affection and the right advice for life. I should miss her in the first rows of Kamani every time I performed. And that's why I've chosen to pay tribute to her today via a Kathak performance, a short bhajan in her memory.
सावरा गिरधर मुरे मन भाए रे 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 चाल चंचल चपल नैना चाल चंचल चपल नैना बाकी चितवन मीठे बैना बाकी चितवन मीठे बैना मधुर बंसी धुन बजावत मधुर बंसी धुन बजावत श्रवण मोरे मन भाए रे सावरा गिरधर मुरे मन भाए रे
बड़ा मुश्किल होता है बोलना कुछ भी जब कोई अपना चला जाता है, क्योंकि ऐसे वक्त में आपको सिर्फ दो ही चीज़ें महसूस होती हैं, एक उनकी एब्सेंस और एक उनकी अब तक भी ज़िंदगी में कहीं ना कहीं कोई प्रेजेंस। और ऐसे में आप वो उनकी एब्सेंस और उनकी प्रेजेंस दोनों को ठीक से महसूस करना चाहते हैं और बोलने का मन नहीं करता। हालांकि अब जो भी बोलूँगा कम ही होगा, ठीक से एक्सप्रेस भी ना कर पाऊँ, बहुत संभव है। लेकिन यही कहना चाहूँगा कि अलका दी मुझे, मैं जब बच्चा था तब से जानती थी, क्योंकि वो मेरे बड़े भाई सुधीर तेलंग की बड़ी अच्छी दोस्त थी और एक दीदी की तरह बहुत वक्त से थी मेरे लिए। लेकिन आज से 5 साल पहले जब मेरे बड़े भाई गुजरे, उसके बाद से वो मेरे लिए न सिर्फ एक दीदी थी बल्कि एक बड़ा भाई भी थी। उन्होंने हर तरह से मेरा ख्याल रखा और मतलब मैं लकी महसूस करता हूँ कि मुझे उनके साथ काम करने का मौका भी मिला, एक प्रोजेक्ट में कोलैबोरेट करने का मौका मिला। उनके एहसास प्रोजेक्ट को लेकर मैंने थोड़ा सा काम किया, एक डॉक्यूमेंट्री बनाई। इसके अलावा एहसास 2 में मैंने मेरे बड़े भाई की जगह रैंप वॉक किया। वो मेरे लिए बहुत ही इमोशनल एक मोमेंट था। वो हमेशा मुझसे टच में रहती थी। तो मुझे उनके जाने के बाद ऐसा लग रहा है जैसे आई हैव लॉस्ट माई ब्रदर अगेन बट आई एम श्योर कि मेरे बड़े भाई और अलका दी दोनों ऊपर कहीं बैठ के हंस रहे होंगे, खेल रहे होंगे और हमें देख रहे होंगे। मैं आप दोनों को ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि हम आपके दिए हुए वैल्यूज़, आपके दिए हुए मूल्य, आपकी दी हुई सलाह, आपके सारी चीज़ों का पूरा ख्याल रखेंगे और आप हमेशा हमें देखकर खुश रहेंगे।
आज हमारे बीच हमसे एक ऐसे व्यक्ति दूर हो गए हैं जो सभी के हमेशा दिल के बहुत क्लोज रहे हैं और वो है हमारी अलका जी। डॉक्टर अलका रघुवंशी एक इतनी प्यारी ह्यूमन बीइंग जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ में, मुझे लगता है, जो भी क्रॉस किया होगा उनकी लाइफ में, उन्होंने उनको सिर्फ प्यार और प्यार दिया। हालांकि फ्रेंडशिप तो उनकी पापा मम्मा के साथ रही, लेकिन मेरे साथ भी बिल्कुल वो ऐसे एक रिश्ता बना जहाँ पे कि रादर देन मैं उनको आंट करके बुलाता, वो हमेशा मैं उनको अलका जी करके ही बुलाता। यानी इरिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ एज ग्रुप्स, अलका जी का जो प्यार है वो हमेशा अपने काम के थ्रू भी बहुत फैला। एक इतनी रिनाउंड आर्टिस्ट, एक क्यूरेटर, राइटर, जर्नलिस्ट, इतने एरियाज में उनका नाम रहा है और हमेशा रहेगा। अलका जी हमेशा हमारे दिलों में रहेंगी और अपने वर्क के थ्रू, अपने प्यार के थ्रू, हालांकि फिजिकली आज वो हमारे साथ नहीं है, लेकिन मुझे नहीं लगता कि किसी भी व्यक्ति को उसके लाइफ में ये एस्पेक्ट भूलेगा कि अलका जी हमारे साथ कनेक्टेड है। ईश्वर उनकी आत्मा को शांति दे और सभी जो भी उनसे कनेक्टेड हैं इस लॉस को बेयर करने की शक्ति दे। नमस्कार।
I know Alka as a writer, art critic, and painter. She always showed her new work. I was surprised to see her application of bright colors as well as gold and silver. In last artist camp, we worked together, and two works she executed were brilliant. And one of the painting I liked. At the end of the workshop, she picked up that painting and presented to me. That were her actual character. She was very different from others. I had a chance to discuss with her many times on young painters, future of contemporary art, and various works of senior artists. She said, art become really modern art when all accumulation which vibrate Delhi art world, the way she directed all musicians, dancers and painters are unbelievable. It was a memorable day for all of us. I always salute her as my younger sister. Still I wait when she will call me Dada.
नमस्कार। अलका हमारी बहुत ही पुरानी और बहुत अच्छी दोस्त रही हैं। 30 साल से ज़्यादा हो गया हमारी दोस्ती को। जब भी वो मिलती थी तो फुल ऑफ लाइफ, खूब एनर्जी, बहुत सारी बातें, मुस्कुराहट, आंखों में चमक, इतना कुछ होता था उनको हम लोगों के साथ शेयर करने के लिए, और हर विषय पे वो महारत हासिल था उनको। मैं सिर्फ कला की चर्चा नहीं कर रही हूँ, और भी बड़ी सारी बातों की चर्चा कर रही हूँ। हमेशा हमको गाइड करना, बहुत ज़बरदस्त लीडरशिप क्वालिटी थी उनकी। मैं उनको बहुत मिस करूँगी। आई विल रियली मिस हर।
Namaskar, very good evening. Alka was a very dear friend, and it was quite a shock when I heard about her, and it's still not sunk in that she is not amongst us anymore. But I believe she shall always be with us and live forever by way of her work. And she's left behind a very rich legacy of works, both in terms of her artworks as well as the books that she has authored, and the articles that she has written in the press. So there was so much to learn from her, and a very dear friend, because she was always there for you in any matter for which you would want to consult her. So I shall always miss her.
When we are talking about Alka and past tense, I don't know how I can just match it, because Alka का presence इतना vibrancy था उसका presence में, इतना अच्छा उसका एक childlike personality था, जो भी बोलती थी वो खुल के बोलती थी, हंसती थी, उसका एक फनी फेस हमेशा मेरा दिमाग में आता था कि इस तरीके से वो बात करती है, ऐसे ऐसे बोलती है। और पता नहीं, वो हमारा जर्नी बहुत साल पहले ही एक साथ हम लोग ट्रैवल किए थे, एक साथ हमारा काम एक साथ करने का और शो करने का और सबको लेके काम करने का उसका एक टेंडेंसी था, एक आदत था। उसको बहुत अच्छा लगता था कि एक नया कुछ क्रिएटिव काम करे और लोगों को इन्वॉल्व करके करे। उसमें गिने चुने कुछ आर्टिस्ट हैं जिनके साथ वो बहुत कंफर्टेबल थी, और हम एक साथ हमेशा कहीं ना कहीं मिल जाते थे या कोई शो में मिलते थे और काम करते थे। तो लिव लाइफ क्वीन साइज बोलने से बेहतर है, क्योंकि शी नोज़ एग्जैक्टली कि किस तरीके से लाइफ को जीना चाहिए। वो अपना उसी ठाट में अपना लाइफ को कितना सारा लिमिटेशन के बावजूद भी इंजॉय किया, एंड वो हमारे साथ रहेगी, उसका मेमोरी हमारे साथ रहेंगे, उसका जो एक प्रेजेंस है वो हमारा दिल और दिमाग में हमेशा के लिए रहेगा। लव यू अलका।
There she comes, Alka Raghuvanshi, dressed in the most beautiful sari, and her sudden laughter will bring life to the whole atmosphere. She was a complete package of art and culture. It was very easy talking to her because we would start with art and then it would get with difference with dancing, and then we would come up to talking about sari, and she was excellent when it came to the quality of weaving or the print or anything. So we would gain a lot of knowledge of something that we didn't know about at times, especially when it came to something like a sari textile. Whenever we met at different friends' places during a Diwali party or a Christmas party or a birthday party, of course I would try to dress up well, because when you are with Alka, you have to look good. So she all taught us how to look good, how to look charming, and how to live life. And that's what she lived.
This is for you, my dear Alka. You went suddenly, without saying goodbye. Let me remember you with love, affection, and fondness. You were one of your kind, a unique personality, an Indian woman who should be a role model for everybody. You told and you showed through your life how to live happily, how to live your heart, how to be your own self. You were the epitome of the new contemporary Indian woman who has her own mind and heart and does what she likes and does it with elan. I wrote a small poem for you when you left. I couldn't sleep that night. अलका तुम्हारे लिए। एक नूरानी शख्सियत का यूं रुखसत होना, एक नूरानी शख्सियत का यूं रुखसत होना, दिल चाक चाक कर, यूं दिल चाक चाक कर चल दी तुम। क्या हुआ, कैसे हुआ, 2 कदम तो अकेले तुमसे चला न जाता था। दोस्तों का हाथ थाम लेती थी। वैसे तो कभी कहीं तुम समय से नहीं पहुंचती थी। यकबयक यूं बिना कुछ कहे सुने इतनी दूर कैसे चली गई। जाने की इतनी जल्दी थी तुम्हें तो बताकर तो जाती, जाने की इतनी जल्दी थी तुम्हें तो बताकर तो जाती। जहाँ गई हो वहाँ उजाला होगा, हंसी के ठहाके होंगे। हमारी दुनिया में तो अब बस तुम्हारी बातें होंगी, तुम्हारा जिक्र होगा, तुम्हारी यादें होंगी। महफिलें होंगी भी तो बेनूर होंगी, तुम सारा का सारा नूर लेकर यूं चलती बनी। हमारी दुनिया वीरान हुई, बेजान हुई, हमारी दुनिया वीरान हुई।
Hi, this is Kanchan Chandra. I really don't know what to say about Alka because Alka and I go back few decades. When I was just out of college and started doing art shows, she was into journalism. She wrote such beautiful, long, generous articles about my artworks, and she was always very fond of me. We both were very fond of each other, and we would always joke to each other, make fun about everything, about life, talk so much. Then she got into curating, and she curated a beautiful show in the late 80s in the Crafts Museum along with Dr. Jyotendra Jain called Shatadru. A beautiful concept, very nice art camp. And then she did a nice show of the works executed in Lalit Kala Academy. It was quite a fun camp where we had good discussions with Dr. Jain, with Alka, and all the participants. And then we were together in a lot of art camps, art shows, art parties, art gatherings. We were like a group together. We would say hello, hi to everyone, and then get together and joke about life, talk about issues not only related to art, about life, about politics.
एक लफ्ज़ है अजनबी जो हम अक्सर इस्तेमाल करते हैं रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में। हर इंसान की ज़िंदगी में बचपन से लेके आखिरी वक्त तक हर इंसान बहुत लोगों से मिलता है, बिछड़ता है, कुछ रह जाते हैं, कुछ बिछड़ जाते हैं, चलता रहता है। अजनबी अलका से जब मैं पहली दफ़ा मिला तभी मुझे एक ऐसा एहसास हुआ कि ये इंसान कुछ भी हो पर अजनबी नहीं रहेगी किसी की भी ज़िंदगी में, मेरी नहीं किसी की ज़िंदगी में। वो अलका एक ऐसी इंसान थी कि उसने कभी कोशिश नहीं की कि उससे कोई बंधे। हर इंसान उससे बन जाता था, जो उसको जानता था, मिलता था, उससे बन जाता था। उसमें एक खासियत थी कि हर इंसान की एहसास इससे पहले कि इंसान अपनी मजबूरी, एहसास, मुश्किल, प्यार, मोहब्बत, दुविधा कुछ भी बताए वो समझ आती थी। उसकी आंखों में शरारत थी, वो तो बदमाश बहुत थी। मेरी बहुत प्रिय मित्र थी, बहुत ख़ास दोस्त थी। मैं हमेशा चाहता था बहुत ज़िंदगी जिए, बहुत जल्दी चल गई, बहुत कुछ अधूरा रह जाएगा मेरी लाइफ में उसके बगैर। ऊपर वाला उसको जन्नती नसीब देगा एक्चुअली, और जो लोग उसके प्यार से महरूम रह गए उनकी बदनसीबी है। मेरी खुशनसीबी कि मैं उससे मिला।
A man's best friend are books. So, Alka ji was very fond of her best friend, her books. Her favorites are A Moment in Time with the Legends in Indian Arts, Chorus of Solitude, Pathfinders. Her books, 26 books that she has written, are a treasure in our life and in our libraries.
अब बजाए
Author Alka Raghuvanshi and photographer Sanjay Sharma capture some magical moments in places few have ventured for sheer reasons of logistic inaccessibility. The convergence of their creative impulse is the book Garhwal Himalayas, Chorus of Solitude.
Namaskar. It is so difficult, so hard to believe that Alka Raghuvanshi ji is not with us. And I have to say few words for her. She was a charming lady, dynamic, and she had the vision also. She was full of life. She was full of life, and she was a catalyst who was connecting everyone with each other. Also, like she did fabulous exhibitions. Then not only exhibitions, then this stole cakewalk with saris and stoles. She invited all the artists. Nobody can imagine that everybody could have come together so much like this. This was her effort, and this was her imagination, her work. So she also, I escaped the first one, then second one she said that you have to be there. With love she used to call me Lucky Muscat. So then she invited me at home, and then she gave me this stole, and then the things were done, and she said that you have to come and you will be there. So she put the name, and photographs were taken, and I was there. So she had the vision also. She will always be with us. So what we have to do, we have to keep her spirit alive. I hope she is in peace. तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला तू ही पान तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दिन तू ही पावन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दिन तू ही बेली तू ही बेलार तू ही बेली तू ही बेलार तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला तू ही पावन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दिन तू ही पावन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दिन तू ही बेली तू ही बेला रे तू ही बेली तू ही बेला तू ही सोना तू ही सोनार तू ही दीपक तू ही मंदिर तू ही सोना तू ही सोनार तू ही दीपक तू ही मंदिर तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा रे तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा तू ही सोना तू ही सोनार तू ही दीपक तू ही मंदिर तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा रे तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा कहे बैजू बावरा सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण कहे बैजू बावरा सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण कहे बैजू बावरा सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही रे, 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 तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला, तू ही पवन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही देर, तू ही पवन तू ही पानी रे, तू ही पवन तू ही पानी रे, पानी रे, तू ही पवन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दे, तू ही पवन तू ही पानी तू ही रैन तू ही दे, तू ही बेली तू ही बेला रे, तू ही बेली तू ही बेला रे, तू ही पवन तू ही पवन तू ही पानी रे, पानी रे, रैन दिन दिन रैन रैन दिन दिन रैन, बेली बेली बेला रे, बेली बेला रे, बेली बेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही गुरु तू ही चेला रे, तू ही सोना रे, तू ही सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना रे, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना रे, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना रे, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना, तू ही दीपक तू ही मंदिर है, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना रे, सोना रे, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना, तू ही सोना तू ही सोना और तू ही दीपक तू ही मंदिर है, तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा रे, तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा रे, तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा रे, तू ही दर्पण तू ही देखा, कहे बैजो बावरा सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण, कहे बैजो बावरा बावरा बैजो, कहे कहे बैजो बाव, कहे बैजो बाव सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण, कहे बैजो बावरा, कहे बैजो बावरा, कहे 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 बैजो बावर सबका तू ही पोषण प्राण, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला, तू ही बहुत तू ही अकेला रे, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही रैन तू ही देन, तू ही रैन दिन, तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु तू ही ब्रह्मा तू ही विष्णु, गुरु चेला रे, तू ही गुरु तू चेला रे, चेला रे।
अलका, डियर अलका, अलका कहूँ या जुड़वा, मेरी जुड़वा थी। We thought alike, we thought in same lines of arts and artists, we joked about them, we laughed at some, but we loved the arts more often than the artists. We promoted many, we platformed, we wrote about them, we did lots in the last 40 years together. Our journeys were parallel. She and I grew up in the same neighborhoods, almost same schools, same university, same steps in the field of arts from 1970s onwards. So such a long journey, almost 40 years plus. Of course, she never belied any confidences. She never talked loose. First rate professional. अपनी तबीयत की थी, मतलब दिल्ली जाके कोई तो दिल वाला आज के टाइम में बचा जिसके साथ हंस सकते थे. एंड ऑफ कोर्स हॉस्पिटैलिटी. पंजाबी हैं भाई, दिल्ली वाले हैं, 7th जनरेशन, खानदानी लोग. सी क्लास एंड कल्चर शोज, यू कांट बाई इट. Alka was one such. In whatever problem she was, in whatever limitations of health or circumstances, She never bemoaned, she never cried crocodile tears, she never wanted, pity or sympathy even. She met the world on her own terms. She left a mark. It's difficult to talk about her in past tense, but she is with us forever through her books, through her shows, through her saris, through her oeuvre, the vast manifestations in all its dimensions. And I think she put Indian arts and crafts and textiles, all shades of it, classical, folk, modern, contemporary, on a world platform. We celebrate her spirit. We certainly will miss her, but she lives in our hearts as she lived for art. Om Shanti Shanti Alka Om.
Alka was the eldest of us cousin sisters, and she was my mother's favorite, and she got to try out all the makeup, and my mother would discuss all the saris that my mother would collect from everywhere in India, because my mother loved to travel. And Alka also wanted to go shopping with her while we all stayed back and played, and which is one of Alka's strengths, and something that defines her, that she took the best that was there in an environment and developed it, so much so that she became such a interesting sari designer in her later life, and made it into a passion which she shared with everybody. She was a very fine theatre critic and a connoisseur, and in fact somebody who could and did understand the classical traditions in music and dance. And she was very vivacious, and she drew people to her. And this is one of the very many memories that I have of her as a person. And she drew, and she inscribed herself on the memory of her friends and her acquaintances, and especially of her family. And we will miss her and her liveliness all our lives. Thank you, Alka, for being in our lives.
For me as a journalist, Alka ma'am was a dream of an interviewee. I'm yet to come across anyone who's as passionate, fearless, and unfiltered as she was in all our conversations. She would literally pour her heart out in all the topics, be it about her own body of work or any trending or controversial subject from the world of arts and culture. As our association grew organically, she would often give me ideas to perform better. Her passing away is a major loss to the world of arts, but for me, I have lost a great pillar of strength. I'm going to cherish our memories for the rest of my life. I always smile whenever I think of her. Miss you.
I represent the magic of saris, the oldest online sari group. Alka strayed into the magic of saris one evening when she was casually browsing Facebook, and so delighted was she about this discussion that was happening around Odisha saris, the theme for the month, that she promptly carried a piece on it on the eve of Rath Yatra. She came into magic of saris with a bang. Her post on a Surya Chakra sari that she was wearing and looking absolutely resplendent in it still gets people talking. She stayed on in magic of saris, and for 6 years continued to delight, encourage, inspire members in equal measure. Her sari collection, her exquisite sari collection, her sari stories and depth of sari knowledge had people wanting more. She has been our go-to person for any sari related information as well as sari trivia. She has actually worked alongside to give the magic of saris its current stature, whether it came to asking us to include certain themes. For example, the theme around Northeast, because she felt saris from that region were a little underrepresented. Or when we carried the Kashmir theme, she asked us to extend it to shawls, because a lot of craftsmanship actually got done on shawls, and was generous enough to open out her entire Pashmina collection for us to feature that month. So she has, and when we organized the offline event in Delhi, she was the person who supported us right through. For both Sunita and me, it's a deep sense of personal loss. We have lost our mentor and a very dear friend. But we promise you, Alka, that we will continue to spread the magic of saris and keep your legacy alive. Rest in peace, my friend. Om.
My memory of Alka ji goes back to say around 7 years back, and this because we were a part of the mutual sari group. So one day I was just browsing through the Instagram or the Facebook, and I came across the saris which she had designed, and I was very, very intrigued. I just called, I took the number because the number was posted there, and I called her and I said, Alka ji, she said yes. And I said, Alka ji, I want to come across to your house to have a peep at your saris. And she said, oh wonderful, तुम ऐसा क्यों नहीं करती हो? And इसी रहस्य में उन्होंने बोला था कि ऐसा क्यों नहीं करती हो, तुम आओ और मेरे साथ तुम खाना भी खा लेना, lunch. That was our first meeting. Lunch, I think, was just a bahana, and we sat down, we laughed. It was not as if I was meeting her for the first time, but something that I had known her for years. That was Alka ji for me. Full of life, full of laughter, full of love for everyone. She found, she found life so joyful that she could enjoy the life in small pieces, but yet along with her friends, along with her family. We met so many times after that, and every time I met her, she had the twinkle in her eyes, and she always said, Anu, how do you like this? Oh, that's wonderful. And I think that is a memory of Alka ji I'm going to cherish forever, because she was just not one friend or an acquaintance for me. She was a story, and a story of joy, story of a legend, and story which will be remembered for generations after. Bless you, Alka ji. I'm sure wherever you are, it's a better place, and God bless you. Thank you.
The loss of Alka ji has been a big blow to the art world. She was wonderful with her work. She was such a happy, vibrant and cheerful person that whenever she would walk into the room, it would entirely light up the entire place. She was India's first trained curator, and she trained at the Goldsmith College in London. She also trained in the Museum of Modern Arts, and she has also curated a few exhibitions. Ehsaas was one such exhibition in 2012, where a number of artists have walked the ramp, and artwork have been replicated on saris, ties and bags. She used to promote weavers, and she was working towards the welfare of the weavers. She has mentored a number of artists also. Alka ji has been such a wonderful friend to me, and each and every one of us who knew her will remember her and for all times to come.
I am Lakshmi Saxena Sinha, Alka's childhood friend, and she fondly referred me as Sexy, given my surname. It's a difficult moment. तुम चले जाओगे तो ये सोचेंगे, हमने क्या पाया, हमने क्या खोया. ये तो कभी सोचा ही नहीं था. जिंदगी आराम से चल रही थी. जिंदा दिल girl that she was, full of life and exciting moments. Our journey dates back to 70s when we first met in class 8 St. Thomas School, and since then it had been a setting of a strong unsaid bond. But there was not a single day that we did not update each other with the headlines, no matter how busy she was. Adulating our friendship, once my little niece had asked if we two buas ever had a fight as young girls. Not that I remember. Not that we ever had differences. I could never adjust to her bright reds, while she amicably gave in to my various shades of greys and earthy browns. But pink invariably would be the color code for her birthdays. जिंदगी लंबी नहीं बड़ी होनी चाहिए. She proved it by living a queen-size life to her terms. Slept less but dreamt more, and ensured to give shape to her dreams through the projects that accomplished successfully. Yet there were many unseen in the pipeline. Alka was always very protective and over-possessive about me, always making me feel special, and I felt fortunate to hold that special place in her life. Attention seeker that she was, just like a child, with a pure and simple heart, जो दिल में वही जुबान पे. A magnificent life that had a very special place for every person known to her. But today, as I remember her, I realize that she was not only mine, but belonged to everyone, conveying their tribute, held a special place in her life. वो सबकी थी, दिल से. Her style was larger than life. Her love, care and concern for her younger dear sisters, their children, was of the highest magnitude. With her charismatic persona, she established an equation with all age groups and would leave them raving about her till the next meet. And now, she slipped away without giving time to say goodbye. Maybe goodbye did not exist in her dictionary. She was a people's person and will always remain so. जिंदा दिल और हर दिल अजीज, ऐसी थी हमारी दोस्त. Good friends are like stars. You don't always see them, but you know they are always there. My brightest star will always shine for me. Love you, Alka.
Today I pledge that the work you have left undone and your legacy will be followed and continued. We remember you in our thoughts and in our prayers. May you stay blessed wherever you are.
धरती मुगला पठान न सैयद से कबार मुगला पठान न सैयद से कबार आदि जोत नहीं गौर गण सवार आदि जोत नहीं गौर गण सवार ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश से समान से जहाँ वास वायो अमर वाव देशवार देशवार जोगीन जंगम मुनि जोगीन जंगम मुनि आदीनांतन काल काल दास कबीर ले आए संद दास कबीर ले आए संद सबद गए चलो मार देशवार जहाँ वास आयो अमर देशवार जावास आयो अमर देशवार
you.